Your colon was never designed to carry old waste for days and weeks. When waste stays trapped, the blood becomes burdened, the organs weaken, and the body loses its natural rhythm. Nature already gave us the tools to cleanse the gut gently and restore movement. The problem is, most people have forgotten how to use them correctly.
Stop. Before you swallow another pill for constipation, hear this. Your colon may be holding up to 15 kilograms of trapped waste, rotting, fermenting, pressing against your intestinal walls. Right now, 6 natural drinks exist that can trigger your body's own cleansing wave and make you poop immediately. No laxatives, no chemicals, no pharmacy counters. By the end of this video, you will know every single one and which one works fastest. Stay with me, because drink number 6 is the one most of you need. Traditional herbalists understood something modern medicine often ignores. The colon is not a storage tank, it is a living river, and when that river stops flowing, disease begins upstream. African herbal tradition treated constipation not as a minor inconvenience, but as the root of fatigue, skin eruptions, and organ stagnation. Ancient healers across every continent agreed on one principle: restore the flow first, everything else follows. This is not folklore. This is pattern recognition passed down through thousands of years of observation. Your ancestors already solved this problem, we simply forgot their answers. Here is what is happening inside your body right now, especially if you are over 50. Your intestinal walls produce less mucus, your gut muscles contract with less force, your colon slows down. Food that should pass in 24 hours now sits for 3 days. Then 5. Then longer. That trapped waste begins to ferment. It produces gas. It creates bloating that makes your belly feel like a pressurized tank. It reabsorbs toxins back into your bloodstream, the very waste your liver worked to eliminate. You feel sluggish. Your skin breaks out. Your sleep suffers. You wake up already tired. And the worst part? Most doctors prescribe the same solution stimulant laxatives. These force your gut to contract artificially. They do not heal the cause. They train your colon to depend on chemical triggers, and over time, your gut becomes weaker, not stronger. You become trapped in a cycle. More laxatives, less natural movement, more trapped waste, more bloating, more fatigue. Stay with me, because the 6 drinks I am about to share do not force your gut. They awaken it. What I am about to walk you through is not a random list. These 6 natural drinks for constipation are ranked, starting with gentle support and building toward the most powerful combination. Each one works through a different mechanism. Some hydrate your intestinal walls, some trigger your gut's natural contraction rhythm, some feed the bacteria that keep your colon moving, some do all 3 at once. I will give you the exact preparation method for each drink, the best time to take it, and the one caution you must understand before using it. Because even the most powerful healing herb can become a weapon if you misuse it. Drink number 4. Magnesium water. This is the drink most doctors should recommend but rarely do. Magnesium does 2 things simultaneously that no laxative can replicate. First, it relaxes the tight, cramping muscles of your colon. Constipation is often a muscle spasm problem. Your gut walls are clenched, not relaxed. Magnesium tells those muscles to release. Second, magnesium draws water into your intestinal contents. Softened stool plus relaxed muscles equals natural, effortless movement. Here's how to prepare it. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder in 8 ounces of warm water. Drink it at night before bed. Magnesium also supports sleep, and poor sleep is one of the hidden causes of constipation. Just a heads up. If you have kidney disease, consult your practitioner before supplementing magnesium. Your kidneys must be able to process the excess. Also, choose magnesium glycinate over magnesium citrate if you have a sensitive stomach. Citrate can cause cramping in some people. We are now past the gentle drinks. The next 3 work deeper. And drink number 2 is the one that changed everything for me. Drink number 3. Aloe vera inner gel with lemon. Traditional herbalists across the Mediterranean and African continents treated aloe vera as sacred gut medicine. The inner fillet gel, not the outer leaf latex, contains compounds that soothe inflamed intestinal walls and stimulate gentle peristalsis. Most commercial aloe products contain the whole leaf, including the bitter latex that acts as a harsh stimulant laxative. That latex is what caused safety warnings. The inner gel alone is safe, soothing, and effective. Lemon juice added to aloe triggers bile flow from your liver. Bile is your body's natural lubricant for the intestinal tract. More bile means smoother passage. Here's how to prepare it. Scoop 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera inner gel from a mature leaf. Blend with half a lemon's juice and 8 ounces of filtered water. Drink 30 minutes before your largest meal. Just a word of caution, use only the clear inner gel. Avoid any product that includes the green outer leaf rind, and if you are pregnant, avoid aloe preparations entirely. 2 drinks remain. The second one combines 3 mechanisms in 1 glass, and the first one does something no other drink on this list can do. Drink number 2, golden kefir with ground flaxseed. Kefir is fermented milk, but not the thin commercial kefir in supermarket bottles. Real kefir is thick, tangy, and alive with over 30 strains of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that feed your colon cells, reduce inflammation, and restore the gut's natural contraction rhythm. Ground flaxseed adds 2 more mechanisms. First, flax contains mucilage, a slippery soluble fiber that coats and lubricates your intestinal walls. Second, flax provides omega-3 fatty acids that reduce gut inflammation at the cellular level. Together, kefir and flaxseed work on 3 levels: probiotic restoration, mucosal lubrication, and inflammatory reduction. This is not a quick stimulant. This is a daily rebuild. Here's how to prepare it. Combine 8 ounces of authentic whole milk kefir with 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed. Consume as a morning ritual. The flax must be ground fresh. Pre-ground flax loses its oils within hours and becomes rancid. Caution: if you are dairy sensitive, use coconut milk kefir as a substitute. It provides similar probiotic benefits without the inflammatory dairy proteins. And now, the most powerful drink on this entire list. Drink number 1, ginger and artichoke root tea. This is the drink traditional herbalists reserve for patients with the most stubborn, long-standing constipation. It works through 3 distinct pathways. And this triple mechanism makes it the most effective natural drinks option for immediate relief. First pathway. Ginger stimulates thermogenic heat in your digestive tract. This heat increases blood flow to your intestinal muscles and accelerates peristalsis, those wave-like contractions that move waste through your colon. Second pathway. Artichoke root contains cynurin, a compound that triggers bile production in your liver. More bile means more lubrication throughout your entire intestinal tract. Your stool becomes softer. Your colon walls become slick. Movement becomes, honestly, almost effortless. Third pathway. Both ginger and artichoke root reduce intestinal inflammation. Chronic constipation inflames the colon walls. Inflamed walls contract poorly. Reduce the inflammation, and the contractions return to their natural rhythm. How to prepare. Slice 1 inch of fresh organic ginger root. Add 1 teaspoon of dried artichoke root. Simmer both in 16 ounces of water for 15 minutes on low heat. Strain. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. This is not an overnight stimulant. This is a daily protocol that restores your colon's natural function over 1 to 2 weeks. Caution. Ginger can interact with blood-thinning medications. If you take warfarin or similar prescriptions, consult your practitioner. Artichoke root should be avoided if you have gallstones. It stimulates bile flow, which can trigger gallbladder contractions. Nature heals in layers. This drink does not force movement. It restores the conditions that make movement natural. Before I give you the exact daily protocol combining these 6 drinks, I want to acknowledge something. If you have struggled with constipation for years, you have probably tried everything. The 6 drinks I just shared are your toolkit, but a toolkit without a schedule is just a collection of ingredients. The protocol matters as much as the drinks themselves. Let me show you exactly how to combine them. The 7-day colon restoration protocol. This is not a crash cleanse. This is a graduated reintroduction of natural function to your colon. Each day builds on the previous day's progress. Day 1 and 2. Foundation. Warm prune water plus magnesium water. Morning. 1 cup of warm prune water on an empty stomach. Evening. 1 cup of magnesium glycinate water before bed. These 2 drinks begin the process gently. The prune water softens existing stool. The magnesium relaxes your gut muscles and draws water into the tract. Day 3 and 4. Lubrication. Add chia gel and aloe blend. Morning. 8 ounces of chia seed gel followed by 8 ounces of plain water. Midday. Aloe vera inner gel with lemon juice 30 minutes before lunch. Now you are adding lubrication and mucosal soothing. The chia gel sweeps, The aloe repairs and stimulates bile flow. Day 5 and 6, restoration. Add kefir with flaxseed. Morning, golden kefir with 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed. Continue your magnesium water at night. Probiotic bacteria begin colonizing your gut. Short-chain fatty acids start feeding your colon cells. Inflammation begins to reduce. This is where many people notice the first truly natural, effortless bowel movement. Not forced, not cramping, just flowing. Day 7. Full activation. Add ginger artichoke tea. Morning, 1 cup of ginger artichoke root tea. Evening, 1 cup of ginger artichoke root tea. Continue all previous drinks as established. This final addition activates thermogenic heat, maximizes bile flow, and completes the anti-inflammatory cycle. Your colon is now receiving support on every level: hydration, lubrication, probiotic restoration, muscle relaxation, bile stimulation, and inflammation reduction. After day 7, continue the ginger artichoke tea twice daily. Maintain kefir with flaxseed each morning. Use magnesium water as needed at night. Rotate prune water and chia gel based on your body's response. This becomes your long-term maintenance protocol. Listen carefully. Even the most powerful healing herb can become a weapon if you ignore the conditions of your body. If you have kidney disease, magnesium is not safe for you without medical supervision. If you have gallstones, artichoke root will trigger gallbladder contractions that can become painful and dangerous. If you take blood-thinning medication, ginger can amplify that effect. If you are pregnant, aloe vera latex, even trace amounts, is contraindicated. These are not scare tactics. This is respect for the potency of natural medicine. Consult a qualified practitioner before beginning any protocol, especially if you take prescription medications. Nature heals in layers, and the first layer must always be safety. Your colon was designed to flow. Trapped waste was never meant to stay. 6 natural drinks for constipation, ranked, explained and combined into a 7-day protocol that restores what your body forgot. If this information reached you at the right time, share it with someone who is still suffering in silence. Subscribe to Health Quest for weekly protocols that honor traditional plant medicine, and tell me in the comments, which of these 6 drinks are you starting with tomorrow? Your answer might help someone else make their first move. Before you go, there are 3 hidden triggers silently sabotaging your colon, and none of the 6 drinks will work fully if you ignore them. Trigger number 1, dehydration disguised as hunger. Most people over 50 mistake thirst for hunger. When your body craves water, it pulls moisture from your colon first. Your stool hardens, your gut slows, you eat more food, which adds more waste to an already blocked system. The fix is simple. Drink 16 ounces of warm water the moment you wake up, before any food or drink. This rehydrates your colon wall after 8 hours of fasting. Trigger number 2, the sitting position. Your toilet posture is working against you. Sitting at 90 degrees kinks your rectum like a garden hose. Squatting, or elevating your feet on a small stool, straightens the rectal canal and allows gravity to assist elimination. This is not a gimmick. Anatomists have documented this for decades. Raise your knees above your hips. That single adjustment can change everything. Trigger number 3, ignoring the signal. When your body tells you it is time, you must go immediately. Delaying, even for 10 minutes, allows your colon to reabsorb water from the stool. That soft mass becomes hard. That easy movement becomes a struggle. Your body sent the signal for a reason. Honor it. Now let me give you what I call the morning stack. A 5-minute routine that combines the 3 fastest acting drinks into one powerful sequence. This is for those of you who want immediate results starting tomorrow morning. Step 1. 6 o'clock a.m. Drink 16 ounces of warm, filtered water. This rehydrates your intestinal walls after sleep and primes your colon for movement. Step 2. 6:10 a.m. Drink 1 cup of warm prune water. The sorbitol begins drawing moisture into your tract within 30 minutes. Step 3. 6:20 a.m. Drink your magnesium glycinate water. This relaxes your gut muscles while the prune water softens the stool. Step 4. 6:30 a.m. Move. Walk. Stretch. Gentle movement stimulates peristalsis. You do not need exercise, you need motion. 5 minutes of walking through your home is enough. Step 5. 7 o'clock a.m. Allow your body time. Do not force. Do not strain. The stack is working. Hydration, softening, relaxation, and movement all activated simultaneously. Most people using this morning stack report their first natural bowel movement within 2 to 4 hours. That is not a guarantee. That is a pattern. Your timeline depends on how long your colon has been sluggish, but the mechanism is sound. Hydrate first, soften second, relax third, move fourth, then let your body do what it was designed to do. Nature heals in layers. Your constipation did not appear overnight, and lasting relief will not either, but it will appear faster than you think when you stop fighting your body and start supporting it. 6 drinks, 3 hidden triggers, 1 morning stack. Everything you need to restore your colon's natural rhythm is now in your hands. The question is no longer what to do. The question is, will you start tomorrow morning? Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Health Quest. And tell me, below, and Serik Wichitri Quine, which drink are you trying first? Your answer might be the one that helps someone else finally find relief.